Welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's me, Chrissy, aka Hustle2breathe Mama. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for hitting that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for rocking with your girl and coming back. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. This video right here is a unboxing review with a collaboration with a unboxing review from Shakers on their portable 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Yes. Oh my goodness. I am so hyped right now. I will have to give a special thanks to Shakers for reaching out to me at this time to be doing a collab with them, with your girl on this product. So stoked right now, so stoked. When I say this product could not come at a better time in my life, when I tell you life is a lifing right now for me, life is lifing. When I say I have no time to go to a car wash, to vacuum out my car, and when I tell you my car looks very dusty, well, let me not say dusty. When I say the inside is filled with like leaves and crumbs everywhere, because I deal with a 2-year-old in the back seat, and then we get in and out of the car, you know, when it's like raining, snowing. I mean, not raining, it's not snowing, but when it's raining and, you know, mud and dirt and stuff. That's in my car. I'm sorry, you guys, but I don't have time to go to the wash machine. I mean, to the car wash. So this is what my car looks like inside. Don't you judge. So, when I tell you, when Shakers reached out to me via email and wanted me to review this lovely product, I said, oh, you could not have come at a better time, Shakers. Yes. When I say I wanted to try this 3-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner in my car, oh yes, ma'am. I hopped the offer just like that. I took it just like that. I said, yes, Shakers, send that over. To have a portable vacuum cleaner on deck at all times, come on, y'all. All I have to do is go to the car wash to physically wash the car. Yeah, I took that offer. So if you are impressed by this video and the quality that I'm getting ready to show you guys, feel free to check with Shakers on Amazon right here. Yes, I said it, Amazon. I know when y'all heard Amazon, y'all went crazy because I know some of my subscribers are Amazon fanatics. They stay true to Amazon. So, like I said, it's on Amazon. I will have the item listed at the bottom of this video or listed in the description. So if you guys want to purchase this 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner from Shakers, trust me, it will be listed in the description and at the bottom of the video. So you'll have it. But in the meantime, between time, let's stop yamping and let's get to opening the box and seeing all the accessories and everything that's in it. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we have in the box. And this is how it looks. So of course we have the storage baggie. It's gray and it's suede. Very sturdy. Okay, so we have the short blowing nozzle. This is the short blowing nozzle. This is what you can use when you want to clean off your computer, your keyboard. You use this one right here. So it's the short blowing nozzle. Okay. Then we have the floor brush. Okay. Then we have the stainless steel filter screen. It's an extra one because there's already one inside. And then of course you got your USB cord. And then you have your air extraction nozzle. And then you have your long blowing pipe with a round brush on the end. You also can use this in your car, like in the edges of places where you can't reach on your keyboard. This is what that's made for. And then you have the long flat suction. Ah, I can't even talk, sorry y'all. The long flat suction. And this is also to get into the cracks as well. And then you have your handy dandy machine. Look how beautiful it is. It's very, 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 very light. It's actually is heavy, but it's light. But the way it feels so good in my hands. Like, and then the color of it, black and gray. If you guys don't know, I come from Harrisburg, PA, and our mascot was a cougar, which was Harrisburg Cougars, and our colors was black and gray. So having this right here, black and gray, represents Cougars. And not only, if you don't know me, then you don't know me. I truly, truly love black. That's like one of my favorite colors. One of my favorite colors. But anywho, right here is where you charge the vacuum cleaner with your USB cord. All you do is just take it, stick it in, and there you go. And it's charged. So let's turn this on, and I'm gonna show you guys speed 1 and speed 2. There are speed 1 and speed 2. So let's turn it on. Now, the way you turn it on, you have to hold it, you have to press long for 3 seconds, okay? That's speed 1. I'm telling you, go get you one. Also, the handy dandy instructions that lets you know all the parts that's in there, ways that you can clean, you know, you just your handy dandy instructions. So this is what it looks like in my car. Kind of dirty. I know, do not judge. Please do not judge. This is the passenger side. This is my seat. Oh, this is terrible. So this is the end result of me vacuum cleaning. So it's very good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the end of the video. I hope this demonstration of the 3-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner from Shakers was very helpful. If you want to purchase this item, please look into the description as well as to the bottom of the video. And it, of course, is also on Amazon. So I'm gonna lead you right over to Amazon. Here it is right here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share me out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you enjoyed out of this whole review, and what did you enjoy out of the product. Just leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next vlog, haul, unbox, review, whatever we're doing it together. So bye.